You are watching this video. Viewer discretion is advised. This video is designed for educational purposes, showing the professional process of a bikini waxing treatment. The goal is to help viewers understand how licensed estheticians perform this service safely, hygienically, and with care for client comfort. You'll see the proper setup, preparation, and step-by-step methods used in a clean, professional environment. We'll highlight best practices for maintaining hygiene, using correct waxing techniques, and ensuring the client's skin remains healthy and protected throughout the process.
Well, we are now preparing the area for waxing. Proper preparation is key to a successful bikini wax. First, the skin is cleansed to remove oils and impurities. Next, we make sure the hair is at the ideal length for waxing. Using clean tools and high-quality wax is essential, as is ensuring the client's comfort throughout the process. By taking these steps, we set the stage for a smooth, safe, and effective waxing experience.
The waxing process has begun. You can tell from her expressions that some areas may feel sensitive, which is completely normal. To comply with YouTube policies, we are not showing intimate areas during the procedure. Please bear with us. We will provide a clear before and after comparison at the end so you can see the results safely and effectively.